Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to change the categories for your Amazon KDP book. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me. Let's get started. I'm going to change the categories for this particular book, which I published a long time ago. I've been an Amazon KDP publisher for many, many years. You can see my Amazon store page right here. And this is the book I want to change. And if you look at the book detail page, scroll down, you can see the categories here. Software utilities, cloud computing, internet and telecommunications. I'm not convinced that these are the best categories for this particular book, so I'm going to change them up. And this is how to do it. Go to Amazon KDP, log in, go to your bookshelf, and you should see this particular view. Find the book that you need to change, the categories for it. So it's this one. Click the More Actions icon next to the book and select Edit eBook Details. Okay, so here's the book. Here are the categories, and you can see that I've put in actually educational software and computers and technology. Interestingly, they're not showing up on the detail page itself, these particular categories, so this is another indication that I probably don't have the right categories chosen. There's another message too. It says you can choose 3 categories that match Amazon's categories. So I'm actually going to be able to add another category, and that's great. Note that it says you must answer the adult-only content question above in order to choose new categories. So I'm going to answer that question, and no, I don't have anything like that. So I'm going to select no. That warning goes away, and then I'm going to click the button that says choose categories. And actually, before I do that, I realize why it's showing cloud categories as a category for my book. It's because I selected cloud as a metadata keyword. So Amazon looks at that data too. So choose categories, and it's basically reset everything. It's currently 0 out of 3 category placements. So basically, I'm starting from scratch again. That's no problem. For the category, I'm going to select one, computers and technology, subcategory. So I'm going to select applications and software. There's a further category, a business and office software. So I'm not really sure that it falls under that. So I'm going to select one of these categories here. So the first one I'm going to select is general for applications and software. So you can see it appears down here. So I still have room for 2 more categories. So let's do it. Add another category. So I'm going to go back to computers and technology. And let's see here. I'm not really sure which is the best one, actually. Probably for maybe databases. Let's see what they give you. No, this isn't really good. So I have to kind of think about what I want to put down here. Let's go to tech culture and computer literacy. That's actually a new one. So you can see a whole bunch of different categories here. So maybe what I want is internet or online services. That's a good one. And then the other thing I can do, I can select another one here, internet. I think those are both applicable to this particular book. So I've selected 3 categories. If I change my mind, I can remove it and select another one. I'm going to click Save Categories. Prompted to continue. By the way, you're erasing your previous categories, and it may be possible not to choose those categories again because Amazon has changed up its system. So just be aware of that. I'm okay with this, so I'm going to have these 3 new categories. And then, as I said before, you can actually mess around with the keywords if you want to see if you can get a 3rd category. So let's say that I wanted cloud computing. I could, just to make sure, I could type cloud computing here and then maybe replace one of these as well. So I think we're good. I'm going to click Save and Continue. It'll take me to the next page of the KDP book menu. So the ebook content, save and continue. And then Kindle ebook pricing. I'm okay with that. Publish your Kindle book. And then it's going to change in up to 3 days, 72 hours. So hopefully in 72 hours, these categories will be reflected on that particular book. The detail page will change a little bit, and maybe different types of people will start seeing the book on Amazon than currently see it now. It will be Amazon knows, because I've changed the categories, that it should be appearing in different contexts on Amazon, so that's a good thing. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon KDP, go to leanmedia.org, click on blog or video, and then search for KDP, and you'll see these results, different blogs and videos that I have. This is free information. I try to help other publishers get the most out of the Amazon programs, and I hope it helped you too. Thank you so much for watching.